Metallic Fanatic again. I've got a new knife here, and you've been watching what I've been doing. I've had a lot of cold steel neck knives and stuff. I've enjoyed that, but I'm not a cold steel representative, so I do like their stuff, and it's very reasonably priced. But I did buy a Knife King, and this is supposed to be a very, very nice pocket knife with a very unusual look. So you're seeing it when I'm seeing it. So if I'm happy or disappointed, you're gonna hear my expression. But this is called this is from Knife Kings. All right, it's in a plastic bag. Now let's take a look at this. It was impressive looking. Could be considered a little bit ornate for my taste, but it's got a Damascus blade on it. You know, and in my opinion, you got a Damascus blade on your knife, you're not trying to go low key or anonymous. So I don't know if this is. I hope this is really Damascus and not that. What was it? FAUX? I think they call it faux Damascus. That's using that fashion term. I don't know why I'm using. Anyway, but this one looks. Yeah, this is going to look very, very, very unique. All right, finish up the last of this bag. Alright guys, now this is an unusual looking knife. Now, a little bit ornate for me normally, but it's a Damascus blade, and I got this thing. If you get it, oh, that's cool. If you got a Damascus blade, you're not trying to go low key, because nobody's gonna know you got a Damascus blade unless you show the blade. So let's make the sheath a little uptown too. Man, that is really cool. Very sharp knife, about the same profile as a Skinner. And it opens with a handle. So close it. You see this handle here? Basically, you just push the handle down, and you get your knife out. It doesn't really lock back, but you can stick your finger on there, and it's not going anywhere. And it's very nice, oily. So looks like they did ship it well. And guys, I really like this one. This is really cool. This is a knife. This is will be one of my favorites. This is a show knife. When you want to go out and show people what you got, this is a really, really, really great knife. And it's got a very, very thick leather sheath, and it is a Knife King. I know they make a variety of Damascus, and it looks like it might be a Damascus blade. As much as any blade is a Damascus blade. I'm not sure if it's etched carbon steel or not. You never, you got so many of these Damascus blades that aren't really Damascus blades. And Damascus blades is itself a description of the worlds, etc. of treatment. And I don't think anybody knows exactly how the original Damascus blades were made. So any Damascus blade you make is not going to be like the one that's, I don't know, what is it, 1,000 years ago, whenever they came out of the Middle East. So, but that is real nice, man. Really, really, really well oiled. And I'll have to take care and preserve this one. But this is going to be one of my favorites. So I just wanted to give you a quick show of this. It's from Knife King. I think they probably retail about 50, 60 bucks, something along those lines. But I really do like that. I wanted a Damascus blade, but I don't have that many straight bladed knives that aren't neck knives or anything like that. And you also want to make sure your knives fall within the parameters in your area of things you can carry. So I'm always wary of that. But there's nothing wrong with this. It's just a pocket knife. It's just a pocket knife with a little bit more character. It seems to be very, very sharp. So I just want to show this one. Now this might be my showpiece of my knife collection so far. But and it's, like I said, it's got a very, very nice sheath, and it It fits in even with the large handle up top. So that's a Knife King, and it's a Damascus knife. I'll give you the exact description and the full title of the knife in the description below. In any case, this is the Metallic Fanatic with a very, very nice knife, and maybe the showpiece of my collection so far. In any case, I will talk to you later when I've got something new, and I'm getting together a little area where I can actually go and knives that are more functional or than decorative. I'm going to create some tests, hack up a few things, and we're going to see how it's going to work in actual use. So hopefully that'll give it a little bit more drama and a little bit more action to my future knife reviews. But I've still got a little work to do on that. So until then, you'll be seeing my reviews as when I get them out, and then when I find something that does require a little road test, then I'm going to set up a scenario and see if we can give it a little test and see how it actually works. Anyways, this is Metallic Fanatic, and I will catch you later, and you have a wonderful day.